Okay guys, required weekly test is coming, and I'm going to give the WR-100 a chance for its new antenna.
The current time is 10:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
But
now here is the synopsis.
the thing about this radio, it's old, and
but will cover the entire region for
a lot of people are having the same problem I am, so... But the WR-100,
the forecast for Pittsburgh,
we're planning on getting an external antenna, so then hopefully I can use it. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. And just wait for the test, hopefully it activates. Oh, update by the way. Next week, you might see my Midland WR-400. So, we're gonna have 4. If I get my WR-100 working, then that would be awesome.
Highs around 80.
Oops.
East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. For Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms.
So yeah, I'm getting the WR-400 next week. So then hopefully I can activate it for the required weekly test.
5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain 50%.
And then
for Friday, partly sunny. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 60%. And for Friday night, partly cloudy. Showers likely.
I think it's on voice, yeah.
Thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 60%. And now, taking a look at the
There's a new antenna, by the way. There it is. WR-300! You gotta be kidding me.
The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially
dang it, WR-300
will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast for Pittsburgh.
This thing actually worked better than the 300 today. God.
Today, partly